Slammed enough. Day 2. I feel like absolute hot garbage. I need to see if there's a Gold's Gym up here. Go do a little workout to feel better. Chilling at the cabin, and it is just so beautiful up here. Oh, I love it, dude. Cabin is sick as fuck. We have a dope ass lineup outside. Hello.
What's up? What's up?
What's up? What's up? Whoa. You need shoes before we leave. No shoes. I'm gonna come up here with you. I'm gonna get a little tour going on.
No, do it, because I really threw all the trash away and I moved everything around. Look at that.
Yeah.
You see the couch? You see the...
Oh, no way. The futon's pulled up.
No, I did all of this.
Nice.
I was way too painted. I'm just saying.
This is where I slept last night. And where I'll probably sleep tonight as well.
Who's up there?
I don't think anybody is. Yeah. No, I was the last one to wake up here.
No one's up there?
Nope. No one's up here. Very nice. Coolest spot in the house, dude. I slept like a baby. I had some issues starting the Q45. Starter kept rolling over, and then I was just using the key so much to try to start it that it just fucking like didn't have enough juice. So I had to go next door, get a jump from those guys. I'm actually not going to go to the show right now. I'm actually going to drive all the way back home, and then once I drive all the way back home, go pick up the Civic, and then come all the way back, because I'm just not trusting this car anymore. I just have to have it parked until I get all the shit I need to fix it. So I'll be a little late to the show, but hopefully I'll get some good video and whatnot. Very clean LS400, and this fucking Golf that says SE Cat on the side of it in like fucking duct tape. This is a very cool car. I love this Q45. Handling is dog shit, then you press the sport mode button and then it's just like, whoa, you know? And I can just, it's for being a fucking boat, you can just handle all these dips, these curves just fine. This also has the same dip that I'm putting in my 240, the R200 VLSD, because it's the Tory model. So I mean, like, I like it. It feels good. I did get a little sideways here when I was first coming at night. There was like a curve that was like really tight, and I was kind of going fast. I was trying to keep up with everybody, and I just straight up fucking was like, whoa, too fast. And like in the 240, like when you brake on a corner, 1,000 feet. You like, you know, you slow down. In this, you brake going fast on a corner, and you straight up just like get a little sideways with it. But it's so heavy, it's so easy to control. It's just like, all right, you know. I love the scenery. So cool. So of course, Q acts up. I drive it around after it almost doesn't start, and it's just fine now. Like it's driving better than ever. But piece of my exhaust just fell off. I don't want to turn it off because I don't want to get stranded. Yeah. Fuck. I picked up the Civic because of the what was going on. I'm chilling here, and it says it here, still about 11 minutes away, just in this traffic, not even like a quarter mile away from the actual event. And not only that, I'm like 3 hours late. You know, I went all the way back to Knoxville and back, did like almost 3 hours of driving on my own just to go pick up this car so I could have it for the rest of the weekend, and it's still just packed. absolutely just insane. I hope it's, well, it's definitely not going to be like this tomorrow.
Route despite unusually heavy traffic. You will arrive at 3:03 p.m.
Unusually heavy traffic. There's a G on Rays, I think. Actual Rays? Yeah, looks like it. Nope. No, those are Avids. I can see it. L. We out here. I found it. I found the parking. Took forever. Tried to park it at like this golf resort across the place. I don't know why I didn't just lie. I was like, I'm here for the show like an idiot. I should have just said I was a guest. And they were like, nope, guest only. So, sucks though. So, I got the parking garage. There's some cool ass cars here. But, yeah, I'm very lucky I got my tickets ahead of time. I'm surprised all of them. Oh, crown. Look at this. This is fucking sick. Oh, I'll love one of these someday. Oh, it has the original Japanese like linen on it as well. That's cool. Yeah. Time to check out the show and see what's up. This bitch is fucking packed, dude. Crazy, there's so many people here. Absolutely insane. Jeremiah car. What? I just saw it. I just saw the little mongoose. Look at it. Pew 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 pew. Pew. Womp womp.
Wow. That's crazy.
That's absolutely insane.
Watch this. What?
No way.
What?
No way. No way.
I pointed out. I'm coming back.
Ollie Z. No Ollie. Again. Ryan Civic is also. Ryan Civic, no Ryan. I love this car so much. I almost traded him this for the Skyline, and honestly, I probably should have. Built up as fuck. I gotta go find Clint. Clint Nixon's. Here he is. Actually rebuilt 3 pieces. I cannot believe my eyes. Clint actually able to rebuild 3 pieces.
Hey, Caleb.
Hello. Hello.
I actually the seal has never been.
Now, are you actually getting footage of this shitbox?
Yes, dude, can you believe it? Every bolt is on the wheel. That's so crazy, and none of them were snapped in half.
I like to thank my sponsors, Dress Up Bolts. I have the first production titanium wheel hardware here.
W.
They work amazing.
This is so hard. Cozy coupe. So cool. So cool. All the cars. All the cars. I love all the cars. Look at all the cars. all the old tuning things that you can do. The 34s. I thought those were the $10,000 Nismo fucking seats.
I like those.
I've never been in front of one of these in person before. This is the first time that I've ever been actually in front of someone. Or in front of a 34. 2001. That's so cool. Hey! Dude, look at this! This is crazy! I've never been in front of one of these before. This is insane. It's so fucking cool, dude. It has the LMGT4s, it has the factory built Brembos, and it's an actual GT. It's not just like a body swap. It has like, it's like a straight 34. Like it has like the tuning and shit that you can do. This is so cool. This is my favorite. This is gonna win Best of Show. Yeah, like definitely.
You never see this.
Yeah, literally never seen. There's like legally 7 in the States.
There's only 7 of these, you would say?
Legally. Legally, there's only 7.
Wait, there's what?
There's only 7 of these legally in the state.
It's like 7 or 8, yeah.
Did you see that G?
Other ones are brought like legally. Huh?
Did you see that G over there?
G?
There's a G?
No, I just got here. I'm still like, I started over there and I'm still going around. This thing is How'd you get here?
I started floating because I'm in creative mode because I got the bars like.
How'd you get here? How'd you get here? How'd you get here? What are you doing? What you doing? What you doing? This is pretty cool. These are 9th gen SI seats.
Too bad, paint thinner.
The only reason I know they're 9th gen SI seats is because I'm driving a 9th gen SI right now.
How do you feel about this?
Honestly, it's hard as fuck. There's one that's matching over there that's wide bodied. It's the same color. Did you see the 34? That thing is so hard. I want it to win Best of Show.
I have a lot of pictures.
Yes.
It's very clean. The BBS go hard.
They go hard as fuck.
They do really go hard.
Yes. Those are like Miata BBSs that they've converted to the 3 pieces. Yeah.
I like that.
Exactly what those are. 245, just like mine. Except, you see it has a SEMA badge. Not a SEMA trunk to match with the tail lights that extend. Also Nissan logoed up. I'm pretty sure that's, you know, body compliant. Rats? Yeah. Rat singers. But you see, left-hand drive. Very cool. Yeah, the sunroof. And the headline. Also in front has the Nissan Infiniti. But it's a Q45. Same one that I had. Oh, yeah, it's in my mirror too. That's cool. Very nice. It is pretty cool. Rough car. And it's made to look like it's like a cartoon. You know, like kind of like Borderlands kind of style. Body lines, it's very hard, actually. Pretty sure this is the suicide prevention Miata. I'll have to take a video of this. Yeah. No. I lied. It's not. No, it is. Yeah. Sure, 100% I can't read. Somewhere around here. This is hard. 2 TikTok Miatas. I've seen this one all over TikTok. Like half of all that. Very nice. Along with the other one. I'm pretty sure just got the delivery. No mistaken, big old creature thing. Hard as fuck. Mr. T. Blood it has to be. Some spec wheels. There's another SLAMMEDENUFF. I follow this guy on Instagram. Super hard Fox White. That's so cool. This 33 is super cool. I like this car. It's an economy spec. I think it says like RB30 in it. That's debadged. It has the economy front end, which is like. Well, actually, let's see if we can though. This thing's super cool. It's like an Accord or like a TL. There's the bottle right there. Kind of see it. Giant brakes. More Hennessy. Pure VIP shit. Right-hand drive. Yeah. Supercharged. What is it? Crazy supercharged.
Look, it comes with installation.